From the beginning, trees have furnished us with two of life's essentials, food and oxygen. As we evolved, their roles expanded too. They provide us additional necessities, paper being one of them. Every day, humans cut down 80,000 to 1,60,000 trees worldwide. It takes 24 trees to make 1 ton of paper. Can you believe it? 4 billion trees are cut down around the world every year just to make paper. If we recycle all our newspapers, about 25 crore trees could be saved each year. So before it's too late, let's find some solution. Instead of throwing away all your paper waste, we can find a solution. So kids, come, let's reduce, reuse and recycle. So let's learn how to make handmade paper. Take an old newspaper and a pair of scissors. Now trim it into small pieces. In case of unavailability of scissors, you can also tear it with hands, and kids will do it under the supervision of elders. Now churn it using a mixture grinder and make a fine paste. You can also add some glue to give it strength. Now take some water in a small tub or a wide vessel without any lid. Add half of the paste in the water and mix it well. You can take water in the ratio of 1:4, where we take 1 part of paste and 4 parts of water. Now add the remaining half portion as well. Stir it well so that the paste does not settle at one place. Now add some petals of different flowers. Now these can be of different colors or of different types. Yes, do not pluck a fresh flower for it. Now dip a sieve in the liquid. And once you collect a good amount of the mixture in the sieve, take it out and then you can shake it well so that all the extra water gets drained out. Press gently using a tissue paper or sponge to soak excess water. Now level the collected material evenly. Once you have completed all these steps, let the material settle for some time. After the material has settled down properly, we will flip the sieve on a piece of cloth. The piece of cloth will soak all the excess amount of water from it. In case the shape gets distorted while flipping the sieve, you can give it shape with your hands. Now let it dry in sunlight for a day. And now your recycled handmade paper is all ready for use. Do you know we can use this handmade paper in many other different ways? Come, let's see all of them. We can make beautiful handmade cards for our loved ones using this handmade paper. We can also make envelopes or book covers from it. If we get little more creative, we can make bookmarks, handbags and different decorative boxes from it. While it is drying, if we give it a shape of a bowl or a glass, later it can be used as decorative lamps and planters as well. Now let me share one very interesting way of using this paper. While we add flowers to this paper, we can also add some seeds. And later when this paper is not in use, then you can soak it in water and the seeds will start germinating. I'm sure now when you know that recycling paper is so easy and useful, you will surely try it.